Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about web design trends in 2026. Web design has always been about pushing boundaries and creating experiences that captivate and inspire. This year, we're seeing an explosion of innovation that's blurring the line between the physical and digital worlds. So let's break it down trend by trend. First, we have hyperreality. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it kind of is. Hyperreality blurs the line between what's real and what's simulated, making the virtual experience even more compelling than reality. And the rise of AI has a huge role to play in this trend. Within the last 2 years, Google Trends has shown a 1,700% jump in searches for AI design tools and a massive 8,500% increase in generative AI searches. Designers are using AI to create digital environments that feel more immersive, more interactive, and a lot more playful. So how can you tap into this trend? One way is to integrate interactive 3D elements that users can manipulate. Imagine a website where every object changes its state or appearance with just a click, like clickable objects that light up, twist, or even transform. Another way to explore hyperreality is through animations that dynamically change backgrounds or add overlays that make the whole experience feel, well, otherworldly. Playful design features like warped videos and animated elements also keep users engaged and create a sense of curiosity. Trend 2. Adding a human touch. Trend number 2 is all about bringing a human touch to the digital space. In 2026, designers are balancing out all the high-tech elements by reintroducing warmth and humanity into their work. This is being done through handmade illustrations and handwriting fonts that add a unique personal touch. For example, Delicious Nuggets by the Earth Alliance uses loose, pencil sketch-style hand-drawn illustrations that feel raw and authentic. Similarly, the anti-inflammatory food brand Super Keen uses whimsical cartoon mascots, outlined in subtle gradients to convey a sense of playfulness. These customized visuals, with their imperfect lines and organic textures, stand in stark contrast to the polished digital graphics we see every day. They make websites feel more approachable and relatable, almost as if you're interacting with a real person behind the screen. So how do you tap into this trend? Use hand-drawn illustrations for hero images, icons, or even backgrounds. You can also add subtle gradients and depth to make the characters and elements pop out more. The key here is to embrace the imperfections. It's what makes the design feel alive. Trend 3. Mini animations. Next up, we have mini animations. Animations have always been a big deal in web design. In 2026, it's all about keeping them subtle yet powerful. Instead of overwhelming users, these micro-animations bring a sense of life and energy to the website. For instance, the behind-the-scene website uses small animations in the background of its pages, adding just a hint of movement that catches the eye without taking over the entire screen. Similarly, many companies are now incorporating 3D animations into their sites to create a sense of hyperrealism. This approach works especially well for industries like animation, gaming, and even architecture, where showing off a realistic look and feel is key. So whether it's a small hover effect or a light bounce, mini animations can be used to draw attention to specific elements on the page. It's all about adding that extra touch of interactivity to keep users engaged. Trend 4. Brutalism. All right, let's talk about brutalism. It's not for everyone, but it's definitely here to stay. Web brutalism has been around for a while, but in 2026, we're seeing a more refined version of this rugged, functional style. Take MrBeast's website, for example. It's loud, it's quirky, and it's unapologetically bold. The elements of brutalism, bright colors, grid-like layouts, and text-heavy designs make it perfect for brands that want to stand out and embrace a more unconventional image. With Brutalism, functionality trumps aesthetics. So if your brand is looking to break the rules and make a statement, this might just be the style for you. Trend 5. Minimalism. Next, we have minimalism. Minimalist design isn't just about stripping things down to the bare bones. It's about being thoughtful and intentional with your design choices. Minimalism uses clean lines, ample white space, and a limited color palette to keep the focus on the most important information. The result? A sleek, sophisticated look that feels effortless and modern. Minimalism doesn't have to be boring. It's about creating an experience that feels calm and composed while guiding the user's attention exactly where you want it to go. So, which trend are you most excited to explore? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design insights.